Peel the carrot, then shred the carrot and zucchini. Then add them to a large mixing bowl. Peel and crush 1 clove of garlic and add it to the mixing bowl. Finely chop several leaves of mint until you have about a tablespoon of fresh mint. Chop 4 green onions, separating the whites from the green parts, and add the white section to the mixing bowl. Add your spices to the mixing bowl. Then add the chickpea flour and water. Combine everything together until a loose batter forms. Heat your pan over medium heat on the stove, then add some non-stick cooking spray and add your pancakes with a ½ cup measuring cup. Cook until golden brown, then flip and cook the second side until golden brown as well. This should take about 5 to 7 minutes per side. Then you want to move your pancakes to a cookie sheet and bake for the final 15 minutes in a 350-degree oven. I served mine with some cooked sushi rice, some Japanese rice seasoning, spicy mayo, and the leftover green onions. You can find this entire recipe plus resources for the specialty ingredients on my website. Link is provided in the video description. Okay, let's see how it tastes. There is so much flavor in these veggie pancakes. You won't even, they don't taste. There is so much flavor in here. You can taste that little bit of fresh mint. You can taste all the veggies. You can taste the seasoning. They're not greasy or heavy though. With a little sushi rice, it's nice too. Makes it a whole meal, but these would be delicious. These would be delicious for a savory breakfast, for a savory snack, or obviously put together as a meal or a side dish as well. Super yummy. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, please leave them for me in the comments. Everything we talked about today, you can find as links in the video description below. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video.